Hello everyone. In previous lecture we study about the RSI and its divergence or its all the type. And today we'll study about the MACD indicator. The MACD indicator, also known as the moving average convergence or divergence, that give us the buy and sell signal. Okay, you simply go to the tradingview.com and go to the toolbox and click on indicators. Now simply write the MACD and you can see the moving average convergence divergence. This is also known as MACD. Now you can click on this and you can show the graph is here. And this is the green candles and red candles. The dark green candles show the high buying volume, and when the dark candles is turned into the light green, then is say to the selling and buying volume is constantly decreases. And now we go to the our red candles. The red candles show the high selling volume, and in which dark and light, the dark candles show us the high selling volume, while the light light red candle shows the low selling volume, and it constantly decreases. And you can see the blue line is here and orange line. The blue line indicates the MACD indicator line, and the orange line is your signal line. Okay, and this is basically also known as histogram. The histogram shows us the buying signal, and red histogram shows us the selling signal. Okay, as you can see, when the MAC when the orange line cross the MACD line, it shows us the selling volume is constantly increases, and it shows us the sell signal. Okay, as you can see, when signal line cross the blue line, then you have a get the signal of the selling. And when the signal line, orange line, is crosses the MACD line, as you can see, the selling pressure is increases, constantly increases, and the graph moves from this side to this side. As you can see, the signal line is crosses the MACD line, then it constantly decreases. Okay, now we get some other example. As you can see here, the MACD line crosses the signal line, then we get is here the bias signal at that point. Okay, when we get bias signal, as you can see, the red hologram is changed into the green hologram. The dark red change into the light red, and now we change into the dark green color. As you can see, the dark green color, shows the high buying volume is. And now our MACD indicator line crosses the signal line, blue line crosses the orange line, then we get the bias signal. And as you can see, the market is constantly improving the buying pressure. Okay, and we get some another example. As you can see here, the blue line crosses the orange line. You can see, when blue line cross the orange line, the blue line indicate MACD line and orange line indicate signal line. When MACD line crosses the signal line, this is your buying signal. In this graph, this at that time the MACD line crosses the signal line, as indicate this is the buying signal. When you buy at this point, and now you can see is here the buying pressure constantly increases. As you can see, green dark line is appear. When high green dark line is appear, the high buying volume. And now you can see is here the signal line, orange line, now cross the MACD line, and this show is your sell signal. This is your buying signal. When MACD line cross the signal line, this is your buying signal. When the signal line crosses the MACD line, this is your sell signal. As you can see, the constantly increase your buying pressure, and when you have entry in that point and you take a good handsome amount of profit in your pocket. Okay, and now we get some another example. As you can see here, like see in this point the MACD line crosses the signal line, is also this point. MACD line crosses the signal line. Okay, you will get the buying signal at that point, in which you get also the MACD line crosses the signal line and you get a buying signal is here. And when the MACD signal line crosses the MACD line is here, you get a sell signal. Okay, this is most easy strategy for trading, and keep practicing this all indicators as much as you can for your strong improvement. This is once more confidence on your trading journey. Okay, hope so you understand the MACD indicator. If you have any question regarding the MACD indicator and RSI indicator, can you let me know in question answer portal? I will try to give you answer as soon as possible.